Hi guys, Dan's Dollars here, and let's go again. Welcome to episode 42 of Dan's Dollars giveaways, featuring the 2020 Peter Rabbit 50p coin on the Change Checker card. The Beatrix Potter coin series ended back in 2018, but they did release a 2019 and a 2020 Peter Rabbit 50p. But they are collectible coins, but they weren't made for UK circulation, even though they are legal tender. So it's going to be a 24-hour giveaway. It's going to end at 8 o'clock tomorrow. I know I normally do them from midnight to midnight. This one is going to be a little bit earlier. Like I say, the draw will happen just after 8 o'clock and a winning video will go up before midnight as well. So you will get to see who's won this coin tomorrow. All you have to do is comment 42 followed by anything else. It's the 40-second giveaway, so that's why I asked you to do 42. And also, if you do that, we don't have any problems with bots commenting when it comes down to the prize draw. So best of luck to everyone that wants to enter this one. And another massive shout out to all of you guys. We've had 36 new subscribers today, along with 2 people joining the channel as well. If you do want to join or find out more about it, there is a link there in the description below. And I will be doing a shout out video for the 2 new people that have joined. Again, good luck in this one if you want to enter. Make sure to start it by 42. And as always guys, thanks for watching.